Alright guys, welcome back to another unboxing video, and today we have another product here. So this is another Samsung product that I think I showed earlier in the initial unboxing of the Galaxy S21, not mistaken. So yeah, so this is the Galaxy Smart Tag. So it comes in one pack, and if you don't know what's this Smart Tag about, it's actually a thing, a keychain you can call it. You can hook on like to your pet, luggage, or even a key, car key or something like that. So in case you lose it, you can track it down with the apps I'm going to show you later. So yeah, so this is the device, very cute and small. So let me just cut it open so we can get an idea to set it up and get it started. Sorry, so we just have to cut at the sides I see here, so we'll just cut it. So I believe the battery they claim can last up to a year, so we'll see about that. Let's just open it. Okay, so it comes out like this. So I told you guys it's very cute, and yeah, Galaxy Smart Tag. So look at that. So you can see we have a hole to hook onto something, and yeah, so that's pretty simple device, and that's all we got actually. So just a quick start guide. So I believe there is a battery already there is a battery already inbuilt to the device, so you can see let me just give you guys an idea. Where's the English one? So the English one is okay. Yeah, here we go, the English variant. So this is the guide. So we have to connect, looks like, to the SmartThings application, I believe. So let us go and get it started. So let's put all this thing aside. So I got my S21 here. So this is the device I just unboxed, and so I'm not sure, we just have to press it so it can be detected, and there we go. So you just need to press it and it detects it immediately. So a new device has been found, right, to add this to SmartThings and now. So now it's going to set up everything. So agree. So let's get started. Press the button in the center. Okay, so let's try. Alright, got a beep, almost there. So it's configuring everything now. Just sit back and relax. Okay, it says success, and we have Smart Tag connected, and looks like we can give our device a name. So let me go ahead and just give it a name, Galaxy Smart Tag. So done. That's a device name. So now it's connected to my account and used with SmartThings Find. So this is another application you can download to find this device. So next. So okay, looks like we have a software update already. So let us might as well just update it now. So you can start some automations with the tags. You actually can use this to even switch on and off lights, which is pretty crazy. You can even find your devices with this thing, so pretty crazy and amazing. Alright, so done updating. So now we can start. So get started. Oh, okay, looks like we need to download an additional add-on. So there are a couple of apps you need to download, or plugins, before you can really truly use this device. So now it's installing some plugin. So start. So this is my thing. Okay, so you can see it's showing my location, which is nice. I mean this is the location of the tag, so it's going to show wherever it is. And let's say I go somewhere else with this tag, I will be able to find it, no issue. So let us go back. So it's pretty cool. So I can show the location of my device, I can show the location of the tag itself. and if you click on this, it will say whether it's nearby or not. And these are the automations you can play around with. So you can see if you press the button here, you can allow you to do something, maybe turn on the light. So I have a light, I have a Xiaomi Mi LED bulb, so you can just go ahead and try it. Next, so turn on off. So let's just give it a try, just to see whether it really works. Okay, so now if I press this, it turned on. Yeah, so the light really turned on. So now I can press again. Yeah, so if you press the button on the middle button is currently turned on, so you can obviously change it to turn off, save, and it will do what you ask it to do, which is crazy. And it's off. So yes, pretty nice apps. So we have the volume, looks like you put to low. If it's too loud, let's try it out. Wow, this is low, man. I can't imagine high. So yeah, let's leave it back to high and see how crazy it is. So I believe this is the ringtone if you want to find the Galaxy Smart Tag. And the battery, you can see it's full. And if you go to information, this will give you an idea of how much battery it has. And Samsung claims it can last almost a year, so we'll see about that. So today the day is around 24th February, so let's see next year if it has how much power left. Will be interesting to see. And yeah, so that is the apps for the Galaxy Smart Tag, and I have to say I'm pretty impressed with the with this one so far. But we're gonna try it and attach it to my keys or something. So let's say if I lost my keys, I can just use this and track it down, which is fantastic. So that's it for me, guys, for this video, and that's all for this initial unboxing and setup for the Galaxy Smart Tag. So if you like this video, give it a thumbs up. If you want to see this more, subscribe to the channel. As always, I'm Jeremy. See you guys in the next one. Peace out.